Hello and welcome to the Keto Dining Room. Today's dish is a keto chicken rice. Of course, we're not going to be using actual rice, instead we're using cauliflower rice. Now, where do I get cauliflower rice and where can I buy it? Well, dear viewers, you get cauliflower rice by getting cauliflower and grating it to look like actual rice. Now, this is a very simple and easy dish to make. It's far less complicated than the real thing, but it's equally as tasty. Start off by coating your pan generously with sesame seed oil. Season your chicken with cayenne, peppers, ginger, sesame seed oil, and give it a good rub to work in those flavors. It would be ideal if you could marinate it for a few hours. Now we sear. The reason we sear the meat is for two reasons: to lock in those flavors and to keep the meat juicy. Add the lemongrass stalk to the oil for more flavor. Once the meat is seared to golden perfection, stick it in the oven at 200 Celsius for about 18 minutes. Now the hard part is over. The trick to cauliflower rice is the fat. This is where the flavor is at. Once the fat is nice and hot, add in your rice and saute it for a bit. Add in seasoning. I like to use garlic and onion powder to add a little sweetness to the rice. Always make sure to taste for seasoning and adjust accordingly. Once your rice is cooked, transfer into a bowl and mold it into that classic chicken rice shape. For the plating and presentation, and that is the first episode of the Keto Dining Room. If you have any questions regarding the ketogenic lifestyle, please post them in the comments below, and I will be answering them on video in 2 weeks time. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.